In this short video, I want to explain how you use Elements Catalyst to connect to a Salesforce org if you are a consulting partner and you are dealing with multiple clients. This assumes that you already have an Elements user account set up. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create a brand new workspace logging in using your Elements Catalyst account. Create the new space. And this is client 56789. So I've now created a new workspace for my client, and this is the workspace I'm going to connect to their org. I need to turn it to Pro, so I can set up a Pro trial. Every workspace can have a Pro trial, so I've now started that trial. So I now have a workspace called Clients 678.9, which is at a Pro trial status. This is the one I'm going to connect to my client's org. What I now need to do is go across into Salesforce and to the client's org, and we need to install the Catalyst Managed package into that org. To install the managed package into the org, I can either go to the App Exchange, and if I type in Elements Catalyst in the search bar, I will then get to our listing, and you can click Get It Now. Or you can go to any page on our website, and if you scroll down, there are two links, one to install into the sandbox and one to install into production. I need to install it for admins only. And whilst that's installing, you also need to install the Chrome extension if you don't already have it. The Chrome extension allows you to see Elements Catalyst inside Salesforce, inside Setup, inside the record page on the right-hand panel, and for in-app help. You only need to install it once into your Chrome browser. So to install the Chrome extension, go to our web page and click on Chrome extension. So that package is now complete, so I can click Done. I need to open up the Elements app, and I need to click Element Settings, and I need to use Manual Setup. Never use Quick Start. I need to use Manual Setup. I need to log in here using my credentials, my Elements Catalyst credentials, not the Salesforce Org credentials. And now I need to connect this org to that space that I created for my client. There it is, Clients 6789. And click Connected. So what I've now done is I've connected this Salesforce org to a space called Client 6789. I now need to go to that space inside Elements Catalyst to make the other end of the connection. So I click there on that link, and it's taking me to the space management page for that space inside Elements Catalyst. So there you can see that I've connected the space to the org. I need to switch on the org model. So I enable that. And now I need to make the connection from Elements Catalyst back into Salesforce. And finally, I need to add the remote site setting. So I can close that page. So I'm now back in space management. So I've now made the connection between Elements Catalyst and Salesforce. I've made the authentication, which enables me to pull all the metadata into an org model. What I now need to do is kick the sync off to get that started. So I click there, sync. The sync has started. I will be sent an email when the sync is finished. When that sync is finished, in that email there will be a link to open up the org model, or I can come back here, click there to open up the org model. To access the org model, which is the synchronized metadata for your org, you go to Salesforce Orgs, and there you will see a listing of the org models. So that listing could be one production and multiple sandboxes if you're in a pro space. If you have upgraded your space to enterprise, you will be able to synchronize multiple productions and the sandboxes. Each one of those orgs will have its own org model, and you access it by clicking on that link to open up the org model.